From the dirt tracks of Europe, a racing legend was born. Today, Bugatti defines ultimate hypercar performance. This is the king of speed.
Picture a car brand where every single model becomes a legend, where speed meets luxury, engineering becomes art. From day one, Bugatti chased two things at once: raw performance and pure elegance. The company's early racing cars were lightweight, victory after victory followed, and Bugatti quickly earned respect across Europe's racing circuits. Its crowning achievement came in the 1920s with the Type 35, arguably the most successful racing car of all time, with somewhere north of 1,000 race wins to its name. Drivers loved its balance, precision, and effortless speed. Its road cars became prized possessions of European royalty, prized for their handcrafted interiors and unmistakable style. Then came the Second World War, and everything changed. Production ground to a halt, and when the engineer died in 1947, the company he built lost its guiding hand. Over the following decades, the name that once dominated European racing slowly faded from view. For a long time, it looked like Bugatti's story was over. Then, in the late 1990s, again, under new ownership, Bugatti was revived with an audacious goal: most advanced road car the world had ever seen. That vision became reality in 2005 with the Bugatti Veyron. Its 8.0-litre 16 engine produced just over 1,000 horsepower. Bugatti. Getting there was brutally hard. Engineers had to solve problems no road car had faced before. How to cool an engine producing that much heat? To handle speeds over 300 miles an hour, Bugatti needed tires reinforced with aerospace technology. Yet, it glides through daily traffic with the ultimate comfort of a luxury cruiser. The result wasn't just a record breaker. It was refined, drivable, and startlingly easy to live with. Years later came the Chiron, the Veyron's successor, and a leap forward in almost every way. With around 1,500 horsepower and acceleration that defies belief, it instantly became one of the greatest hypercars ever built.
Bugatti kept pushing. The Chiron Supersport 300 Plus shattered another barrier, becoming the first production car to a 300 miles per hour, a milestone many doubted was even possible. From there, Bugatti turned to something more personal: limited edition masterpieces that celebrate the brand's art, history, and racing. Each tell a chapter of that story.
Every Bugatti is still built almost entirely by hand. Skilled technicians spend hundreds of hours on a single car. Buyers can personalize nearly every element, meaning no two Bugattis are ever quite alike. Owning one isn't just about the car. It's entry into an exclusive world where innovation, craftsmanship, and performance all meet. Today, the Tourbillon represents where Bugatti is headed next. Rather than leaning on turbocharging alone, it introduces a pure, unrestricted V16 hybrid era. It pairs a naturally aspirated V16 with advanced hybrid technology. Ordinary performance, built on the same engineering philosophy started with over a century ago. More than 100 years after its founding, Bugatti remains one of the most respected names in the automotive world. From the legendary Type 35, to the record-shattering Veyron and Chiron, to the futuristic Tourbillon, Bugatti has never stopped redefining what's possible. Every Bugatti tells a story of passion, obsession, and the relentless pursuit of perfection.
If you enjoyed this journey through Bugatti's history, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more stories about the world's greatest supercars and hypercars.